Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I achieved this delicacy here. So guys, I'm going to show you step by step how I follow this recipe from Nanaaba'S kitchen so you can enjoy what I'm enjoying right now. Okay, so for this recipe I'm going to be using 2 red snapper fish. The fish is already cleaned and washed, so I'm just going to get my clean knife and give the fish some nice deep cuts. You have to make sure your knife is very sharp. So I'm going to flip it over and do the same to the other part. So I'm also going to repeat this process for the other fish. So when I'm done, I'm going to get my clean kitchen towel paper and use it to dab the fish to take off any excess water from it. So right now I'm going to set the fish aside and get my pan and set the fire on a very low heat. And I'm going to be using coconut oil. So I'm just adding in some coconut oil on the pan, and I'm going to be using some fresh thyme, lemon rind or lemon zest. I'm going to be using 3 cloves of garlic and some ginger, and I'm using 1 green habanero pepper. So I'm just going to leave it on a very low heat so it will all these ingredients inside the oil will infuse in it and give it that nice aroma. So I'm going to switch it off after 2 minutes of heating it on the fire and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Guys, you need to try this fresh thyme as the aroma is just so amazing. My whole house was smelling divine from this fresh thyme. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I have never ever tried using fresh thyme before. So I'm just going to add in the fresh thyme and the lemon rinds or lemon zest inside the fish and put in some of the coconut oil that have already infused all the nice flavor from my onion, habanero pepper, garlic and other stuff. And I'm just putting in the coconut oil on top of the fish, and I'm going to drizzle in some salt. I'm just sprinkling some salt right now, and I'm going to use my hands to carefully massage the salt and the coconut oil inside the fish generously. Yeah, so that's the salt. And I also use half a teaspoon of white pepper to massage the fish also. I'm going to drop the list of all the ingredients that I used on this recipe on the description box. Please do check it out. And I'm also going to drop the link of Nanaaba'S kitchen so you can check the recipe out. So right here I'm just adding a handful of fresh parsley leaf, and I'm putting in the onion, the habanero pepper, garlic, ginger inside, and I'm going to roughly blend it. So I'm going to set it aside, and these are the vegetables that I'm going to use to make the bed for the snapper fish. So I'm using in some some onion, spring onion, basil leaf, red, green and yellow bell pepper, and one habanero pepper. So right now I'm just taking from part of the coconut oil that I already infused the thyme and the onion, ginger, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on my pan that I'm going to use to grill the fish, and I'm going to spread in the bed of vegetables on it. So when I'm done with that, I'm adding in some salt, and also I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of white pepper, and I'm just going to give it a very nice massage, and I'm going to spread it properly. So at this time I'm going to add in the blended parsley on top of it, and I'll also give it a nice mix. So right now I'm going to put the two red snapper fish on top of the vegetable. And I'm going to transfer it inside my oven and allow it to grill. The setting of my grill does not have any number, so I just put it on a medium. So right here I'm making the chimichurri sauce. I don't know what that is, but I got that from her. So I'm using just some parsley, basil leaf, spring onion, and some freshly squeezed lime. And I'm just going to let it to simmer for just a minute or two. Guys, you can see how the fish is looking. So I'm just going to give it a turn around. You can see it did not get sticked to my pan because of the vegetable underneath. So I'm going to put it back again to cook. You can see how it's looking. Altogether it did cook for about 30 minutes on a medium heat on my grill. So guys, you can see the wonders of this recipe. Oh my goodness, guys, you need to give this recipe a try. When I saw this recipe today, I think I have watched it once, then I just didn't bother myself. Today I got the recommendation and I have to get off the bus that I was coming back from work, and I went to the fish market to get this fish, and I tell you, I didn't regret giving this recipe a try. Oh my goodness, Charlie, this is food. This is good healthy way of giving yourself a nice treat. Guys, I'm going to drop Nanaaba'S kitchen recipe of this red snapper fish on the description box. Do check it out so you can follow her recipe also and see how she made it. So guys, I just sprinkle in the chimichurri sauce according to how she called it on top, and I tell you, oh, this fish did a wonderful job on my nice delicious coleslaw. And I'm also going to drop the link of the coleslaw on the description box so you can make one for yourself. So guys, this is our fish and I'm going to be giving it a nice taste. So guys, enough of all the rambling, enough of all the ranting. If you've it's your first time here on my channel, you're so welcome. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. My name is Lydia Isaac. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this delicacy to your friends, and please do drop a comment if you did give this a try. Till I see you again on my next video, do have a wonderful day. Remain blessed, always be happy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.